सुडांतल्यान हल्ल्याचे हे प्रकरण. टायरन नाझारेताचो सूड घेवंक ताचेर जोसेफ आनी ताच्या साथीदारांनी शेनवारा रातीं सुरी हल्लो केलो. नाझारेताक जखमी अवस्थेत हॉस्पिटलांत व्हेल्लो. थंय तो दुसऱ्या दिसा सकाळींच सोंपलो. दोगूय हिस्ट्री शीटर. फाटले 2 दीस पुलीस तांकां सोदताले. मंगळारा सकाळीं जोसेफ, ताचे साथीदार सियोन फर्नांडीस आनी महेश रामपाल तिगांकूय पुलिसांनी मोले चॅकपोस्टा कडेन उखल्ले. तांकां उखलपी PI जिवबा दळवी आनी ताच्या टिमीक पुलीस खात्या वतीन इनाम जाहीर जालें. गोंयांतल्या हिस्ट्री शीटरांचेर पुलिसांची नजर आसा म्हूण उत्तर गोंयचो SP कार्तिक कश्यप उलयलो.
This was a sensational murder during a time right in between Calangute fish market, and as the absconding accused were running away, had run away from us for quite some time. We were consistently working in the direction of apprehending these people. The PI Chiva Dalvi and his team need to be applauded, and it gives me great pleasure to declare a reward also from the Goa Police Department. Total from District of North we have around 46 history sheeters and around 40 active criminals. So we have almost around 85 people whom we have narrowed it down as of now, and we're working very closely in keeping watch on the activities of these people.
Bureau Report, Prudent.